Hello everyone. In this session, let us discuss linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Its definition is an equation of the form linear and two variables. Linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 where a, b, c are real numbers. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 where a, b and c are real numbers such that a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represents a linear equation in two variable when a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. Why? Because if a is 0, then it becomes linear equation in one variable. Suppose b is 0, then it is also linear equation in one variable. Suppose both a and b are zeros, then it is not a linear equation in two variable. Hence, an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represents a linear equation in two variable when a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. C may or may not be 0. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. It is linear as well as two variables. Linear, why? Because highest degree, highest power of the variable is 1 and 3x minus 4y equal to 0. It is also linear equation in two variable. Linear and two variables. Constant term may or may not be 0. Clearly this is linear equation in two variable. This one also linear equation in two variable. Definition: an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 where a, b, c are real numbers such that a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 is called linear equation in two variable. After this, let us discuss methods of solving linear equation in two variables. Let us discuss methods of solving linear equation in two variables. There are three methods to solve linear equation in two variables. In that first one, substitution method. Substitution method. Second one, elimination method. Elimination method, or it is also known as equalizing coefficients. Equalizing coefficients. And third method and last one, cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Let us discuss one by one. Solve x plus y equal to 15 and x minus y equal to -3. Solve x plus y equal to 15 and x minus y equal to minus 3 by the method of substitution. Solve these two equations by substitution method. Means find the value of x and y. X plus y is equal to 15. Take it as equation number 1. And x minus y is equal to minus 3. Take it as equation number 2. Replace either x value or y value by the method of substitution. Replace x value or y value. What is x value? Send minus y into RHS. Then it will be plus y plus 3. Now put x value in equation number 1 by the method of substitution. Substitute this value, x value in equation number 1. Put x equal to y plus 3 in 1. Then it becomes, replace x value. What is x? Y plus 3. Sorry, not y plus 3. It is y minus 3. Y minus 3 plus y remains as it is, equal to 15. Next, 2y is equal to 18. Set this minus 3 into RHS. Then it will be plus 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. Then y plus y is 2y. Then what is y value? Y is equal to 18 divided by 2 is 9. After getting y value, put y value in equation number 1 or into, then you get corresponding x value. After getting any one of the value, put it in equation number 1 or into. In this case, put y is equal to 9. Y equal to 9 in equation number 1. Y value 9 in equation number 1. Then it becomes x plus 9 equal to 15. Then what is x value? Send it to RHS. Then it will be 6. Y value 9, x value 6 by the method of substitution. Next problem. Solve 2x minus y equal to 3 and 4x minus y equal to 5. Solve these equations by the method of substitution. Take 2x minus y equal to 3 as equation number 1 and 4x minus y is equal to 5. Take it as equation number 2. By the method of substitution means replace any one of the value, either x value or y value. In this case, I will replace x value. What is x? Or else from equation number 2, what is x? Or else first write 4x equal to 5 plus y, then x equal to 5 plus y divided by 4. After getting x value, either replace x or y. For your convenience, you can replace either y value or x value. Now, put x equal to 5 plus y divided by 4 in equation number 1. 2 into, replace x value. In place of x, replace this, that is 5 plus y divided by 4 minus y equal to 3. After that 2 ones are 2 twos are. Then 5 plus y divided by 2. 5 plus y divided by 2 minus y is equal to 3. Simply y is given means y divided by 1. Nothing is given means in the denominator 1. Now taking LCM, 5 plus y minus 2y whole thing divided by 2 is equal to 3. Because LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Now 5 minus y is equal to 6. Just cross multiplication. Cross multiplication 2 3s are 6. After that y is equal to 5 minus 6. It will be minus 1. After getting y value, put y value. Y is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. Put y value minus 1 in equation number 1. Then it becomes 2x, middle negative sign as it is. What is our y value? Y value is minus 1 is equal to 3. So 2x equal to minus into minus plus, or else write one more step. 2x plus 1 equal to 3. Then 2x equal to 2. Lastly x value 1. By the method of substitution, x value 1, y value minus 1. This method is by the method of substitution. Next, solve x plus y is equal to 15 and x minus y is equal to minus 3 by elimination method or by equalizing coefficients. Same set of equations by the method of elimination or equalizing coefficients. Solve by the method of equalizing coefficients or elimination. Elimination method is same as equalizing coefficients. Both are one and the same. Solve these two equations by equalizing coefficients. X plus y is equal to 15. Take it as equation number 1. X minus y is equal to minus 3. Take it as equation number 2. In this case, already coefficient of x in equation number 1 and equation number 2 are same. Coefficients are same, just reverse the signs. Its sign is positive, make it negative. Its sign is negative, make it positive. Its sign is negative, make it positive. Just take the reverse signs. Here we have positive, so take it as negative. Just reverse the signs. After that, plus x and minus x will be get cancelled. Y plus y is 2y. Its sign is not negative. Now its sign is positive. Is equal to, it will be 18. 15 plus 3. Its sign is not negative now. Just reverse the signs. Then y equal to 9. In this case also, after getting any one of the variable, put it in equation number 1, then you get corresponding x value or y value or other variable. Put y is equal to 9 in equation number 1. Y equal to 9 in equation number 1. Then it becomes x plus 9 equal to 15. X equal to 15 minus 9 and x equal to 6. Now we get x value as well as y value. You can use any one of the method then you get same answer. By the method of substitution or by the method of equalizing coefficients or by cross multiplication method, then you get same answer, means same x value and y values by using any one of the method, either equalizing coefficients or by substitution or cross multiplication. I will solve this problem by equalizing coefficients. Same problem. Solve 2x minus y equal to 3 and 4x minus y equal to 5 by equalizing coefficients or by elimination method. 2x minus y equal to 3, take it as equation number 1, and 4x minus y is equal to 5, take it as equation number 2. Equalizing coefficients means make the coefficients equal. Make the coefficients equal. To make coefficients equal, multiply equation number 1 with the coefficient of x in equation number 2. To equalizing coefficients, multiply equation number 1 with the coefficient of x in equation number 2, and similarly multiply equation number 2 with the coefficient of x in equation number 1. Then we get set of equations, new set of equations. It will be 8x minus 4y is equal to 12. Equation number 2 becomes 8x minus 2y is equal to 10. Now same procedure, just reverse the signs. What is sign of 8x? It will be positive, so take its reverse sign. That is coefficient of 2y negative, take its opposite sign positive. Here we have positive, take its negative. These two terms will be get cancelled because 8x minus 8x will be 0. Now minus 2y plus 2y, sorry, minus 4y plus 2y is minus 2y is equal to 12 minus 10, that is 2. Then lastly we get y is equal to minus 1. In this case also, after getting any one of the variable, put it in equation number 1, then you get the corresponding x value or y value, means other variable. Put y equal to minus 1 in 1. In 1, then 2x minus, what is y value? That is minus 1 equal to 3. Now 2x equal to 3 minus 1. Why? Because minus into minus plus, send it to RHS, then it will be minus. Then 2x equal to 2, so x equal to 1. X value 1, y value minus 1. By the method of equalizing coefficients, or it is also known as elimination method. Next problem. Solve 3x plus 4y equal to minus 1 and 2x minus y equal to 3 by the method of equalizing coefficients or by elimination method. Solve these two equations by equalizing coefficients. Solve these two equations by equalizing coefficients. Take 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 1. Take it as equation number 1. And take 2x minus y is equal to 3 as equation number 2. Now, just equal the coefficients, means equalize. For that, multiply equation number 1 with coefficient of x in equation number 2. What is coefficient of x? That is 2. Multiply equation number 2 with coefficient of x in equation number 1. You can use coefficient of y also. Either multiply coefficients of x or coefficients of y. Equalize either coefficients of x or coefficients of y. After that, multiply 6x 8y is equal to minus 2. After that, 6x minus 3y equal to 9. After multiplying, just reverse the sign. Here we have positive, so make it negative. Here we have negative sign, so take it as positive, negative. 6x minus 6x get cancelled. That is 11y. 11y is equal to minus 11. Minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11. Hence, y value is minus 1. After getting y value, put this y value in equation number 1. Then you get corresponding x value. Put y equal to minus 1 in 1. Put y value in equation number 1. Then it becomes 3x plus 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. After that, 3x equal to minus 1 plus 4. We get minus 4, send into RHS plus 4. Then x equal to 1. X equal to 1, y equal to minus 1. Next, one more problem. Solve 2x minus 3y equal to minus 8 equal to minus 8. 4x plus 5y equal to 6 by elimination method. Solve these equations by elimination method. Elimination method is also known as equalizing coefficients. Both are one and the same. 2x minus 3y take it as equation number 1. 4x plus 5y equal to 6. Take it as equation number. Just equalize coefficients. So multiply 4 and multiply 2. Then these equations becomes 8x minus 12y multiplying with 4 equal to minus 32. Minus 8 into 4 is minus 32. After that, 8x plus 10y equal to 12. After this, एक नेगेटिव नेगेटिव साइन, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव नेगेटिव, because positive, just take its reverse sides, get cancel. Minus, that means minus 20y equal to minus 12 minus 10, that is minus 22, minus 12 minus 10 minus 22 equal to minus 32 minus 12, that is minus 44, 4 minus 44, y equal to minus 44 divided by minus 22, so y equal to 22 ones are 22 twos are, y value 2. After this, put y equal to 2 in equation number 1. In 1, put y value. Put y equal to 2 in equation number 1. Then it will be 2 into x minus 3 into 2, because y value is 2, equal to minus 8. Then 2x minus 6 equal to minus 8. So 2x equal to minus 2. Minus 6 set into RHS. Then it will be plus 6. Minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. 2x equal to minus 2 means x equal to minus 1. X value minus 1, y value 2, by the method of equalizing coefficients. With this problem, I will stop today's class. We will discuss cross multiplication method in the next session. Thank you.